Hello and welcome to the complete bootcamp course on Alteryx. So what exactly an Alteryx is? So Alteryx is one of the process automation data science tool. Let's say if you don't know about the programming, you don't know what is Python, you don't know what is R or any other programming language, you don't know about the SQL. And still if you want to analyze your data by just drag and drop, Alteryx is a tool for you. So it's like one of the process automation tool for the data science people. Let me put things into little bit more perspective. Let's say I have a cells.xls files are available with me. So here individual cell information has been given for the corresponding date, its region, who is the representative behind that, the item, unit, sold and total cost. Let's say every day this type of Excels are coming to you and you need to analyze this data. Let's say step by step we'll try to analyze this data based on our business requirement. So I have just selected here order date from data. Let me apply the filter. I just want all the data from 2020 only. So I have just selected 2020 and for region I want all data from the central region only. So I applied the two filter and now I got filtered records. Now after applying this two filter, I want the sum of all the cells corresponding to 2020 date and region central. So I can just simply use like sum. Let me put everything by comma separated. So it will have a sum of all the values Alright, so I got 7305. Let's say I want to display the bar chart for this total after this filtered data. I can just select this series, go to insert, let me apply this bar chart. And if I want to change the horizontal axis, I can just simply click on this chart, select the data, edit this horizontal axis, and from horizontal axis I am going to select this representative. Okay, and you can see within a matter of 2 to 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes depending on your Excel skill, you will be able to come up with this chart after filtration of your data and final total sum for the filter data. Now you think that this is not a very big amount of time, but every day this type of Excels are coming to you and every day you need to analyze data after performing all those steps. Can we do things little better way? So Alteryx is a tool for you. Once you create workflow, the next time you do not need to worry about it. Just change your Excel, click on a run button and everything just works for you. So in all those final chart, the summarization, the filtration of data will be automatically happen by just one single click. So let me just close this Excel file. I am not going to save it. And if you just open it, I have a raw data available. Now I want to drag and drop it to the Alteryx. So let me open my Alteryx Studio. Let me drag and drop this cells.xls file and I'm going to select this sheet 1. Alright. Next thing is we need to apply from the preparation autofill just to identify what is the data type for each individual field. Alteryx will be able to automatically identify the data type for each field. Next one will be we are going to apply the filter. So filter means on order date, that all the date which is greater than or equal to from 2020. So I'm going to select the 1st Jan 2020, all the date which is greater than 1st Jan 2020. One more filter we are going to apply it, and that will be based on the region equals, let's say it will be a central. If you want to know the exact text, you can click on this input data and you will be able to see this exact text central. Alright, so filtration process finish. We need to find sum. So from transform, I'm going to select this sum. So sum for total, and let me add sum here. Alright, apart from that, there will be one more chart we need to display. So that will be a part of this reporting tool. And let me connect the output from this filter to the interactive chart. Let's configure the chart. Let me add. I'm going to select the bar chart. On a horizontal axis, I want all those representative. On a vertical axis, I want all those total. Let me close it. And let me add one browse after so that we can visualize the output of this chart. Let me run it. Alright, and you can see we got this nice visualization of bar chart corresponding to individual representative. Now you can see how much amount of time it took to create such a workflow. And if you just click on this summarization on output, you will get the exact same one, 7305, the sum total of filtered data. After every single filter, you can see the data got reduced. In a first filter, it just filtered out the data for year 2020 and then again did the filtration based on the region central. Alright, so within a just matter of maybe 2 to 3 to 5 minutes, we have created exactly same flow what we did in a Excel. But in Excel, the moment next Excel will come, you have to again perform all those steps. Otherwise, you can create even a macros also in Excel. But in Alteryx, I want to show you about the Alteryx. So Alteryx is a very easy to use such a kind of tool. We have just used a drag and drop. Now, next time when you get new Excel sheet, you can just simply change the Excel sheet or a path of Excel sheet from here and just click on run, and everything just works like a magic for you. So that is the beauty and a power of Alteryx. Once you designed a complete workflow without any kind of knowledge on programming languages, and that is what the real beauty and a power of Alteryx. So in this video, my intention is to just give you an idea that how easily you can create your complete workflow with Alteryx with a very simple small example. Now how Alteryx got created? So execution starts from this particular tool to this tool. In this way, the data is continuously flowing from left to right. And this kind of, there are many tools are available for input output, for preparation, for joining table, for passing data, transforming data, reporting framework. So this way, all those little small tool we are going to see throughout this whole course. So I am very much excited. I hope you are also very much excited, and let's just dive into Alteryx. From the next video, we'll see how to do installation of Alteryx in your local machine. So see you into next video.